Task number 4, detection. This task is part of the moniker link vulnerability, which is part of the exploitation basic room inside the cybersecurity 101 path. I wanted to say learning path, but it went path. Yara. A Yara rule has been created by Florian Roos to detect emails containing the file email element in the moniker link. Here we see, we just right? We just see the rule inside the vulnerability. And yeah, so basically just capture the email. Wireshark. Additionally, the SMB requests from the victim to the client can be seen in a packet captured with a truncated NELM hash, NTLM hash version 2. Yes, security blob. And then we can see, right, we can see the NTLM. Answer the question below. Click me to proceed on to the next task.